In this video, we are going to have a very quick overview on how to import built-in data sets in Python using a Pycharm platform, or you can use it in a different platform like Anaconda or anywhere else. So for this, I have opened my Pycharm and I'm going to click any of the projects. Okay, and in the project, I am going to create a new Python file, and I'm going to name it testing import dataset. So the file has been created, and I have already installed sklearn for this project. If you have not installed sklearn, yeah, you can do it by using terminal or the preferences, any method that you like to do. So for this, I have already installed sklearn, so I'm going to import datasets. Import so from sklearn, I'm going to import this dataset. From sklearn, import datasets, and I'm going to give the variable a name in which I'm going to store the datasets. So for example, my store data equals to to import the dataset, the command will be datasets.load. The moment I have typed L, so it has shown that like variety of the datasets available in the sklearn library. It is showing Boston, digits, iris, diabetes, cancer, files, and everything. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to click on the iris dataset and give it a parenthesis. Then I'm going to print my underscore data. Okay, and I'm going to learn this program. So it has read all the data. So this is the data set that has been imported from sklearn. And since it is not giving us a very clear idea, so in order to see what are exactly the columns name, I'm going to write it here keys. So it's going to give us a very organized form of a data set. So again, I'm going to run the program, and here we can see that like these are the titles given to the columns of the iris data set. And if I want to see what's stored in each of these titles, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, for example, take this column, copy, and I'm going to paste it over here. Paste and run. So it's showing in this column, these are the information available: length, width, and again petal length and petal width. And in a similar way, you can you can find what are the other information available in the different columns of the data set. So that's all for today. This was a very quick overview. Hope you liked the video, and then we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.